tabo tini sini duagra sini thai thangjak amar manik maharaja bane mangthano tini khula hoironai sini habu bagra tabo phaimala phaijak jotono जों हाबा खासलाय दङ amar manik amar rehe
वेंटिलेशन नहीं होने से टेंट में बहुत गर्मी
tabo sini duagra sate masungoi tinini bandana sengsare ronai jotoni yafa korlai nai pal
to make this political. I think more and more information is coming out under the tourism minister Sushant Chaudhary. A lot of infrastructure has been made, and just because we are fighting an election in the next few weeks, I don't want to criticize the tourism minister for the sake of criticism. He has done a lot of good work. If you see it in Matabari, if you see it even here, infrastructure development is coming up. I was recently in Jampui. I saw the Eden Guest House. Very well done. So I believe that good work is being done. It was a propaganda by the communists for many years not to highlight the work of our ancestors in our past. But efforts have been made, and I think more effort will be made. And I think if we are also included in some of the decision making, we'll be happy. But overall, I think information is flowing out, and I think what it needs is us to coordinate properly. But nevertheless, let me say that under Sushant Chaudhary, tourism department has done very well despite financial crunch, and what you need is young people, young ministers who have different ideas to become part and be given a free hand so that they can develop Tripura. Tripura has huge potential in tourism, especially religious, cultural tourism, and if we can use that to our advantage, it will benefit the poor people, the common people, not only in Agartala but in the villages and in rural parts of Tripura as well.
Thank you.